In this video, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks inside of Bluebeam. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we need to do is open up your project, open up Bluebeam, and now on the left hand side, we want to go ahead and click on the Bookmarks tab. So as you can see, this is blank inside of here. Now, if you can't see it on the left hand side, don't worry, you just don't have it enabled. So what we need to do is click onto Window and then click onto Windows. And now make sure Bookmarks is selected or enabled like so. So I want to go ahead and make sure that is selected. You can open up your bookmarks by clicking Alt and B as well. And you can also pin as well if you want to pin any bookmark. Now, in order to add a bookmark, go ahead and click on the bookmark with the little plus icon. Now we can go ahead and bookmark that. We can change the name, but I've got page 2. I can keep that. I can do test 2, etc. I'll go ahead and add another bookmark, test 3,